want to talk about IR.Tools extreme thermal film and color. So just like Henry Ford said, the IR.Tools extreme thermal film is available in any color that you want, as long as you want black. Yes, it's true. You don't actually have a lot of color options. The thermal film is just black. However, there are a couple options that you have aesthetically. So you can pair the extreme thermal film with a vinyl film of any other color. White, chartreuse, blue, whatever you want, you can pair these. One important thing is that the extreme thermal film always must be at the top of that stack up, and there can be no clear protective coating of any sort over top of it. Now, the clear will obscure the thermal image, and nothing will actually stick to the extreme thermal film anyways. That chemical resistance that you want, well, that means nothing can stick to it. So you can pair the extreme thermal film with any color vinyl you like to get the image that you want. Now, you can also choose whether you want the extreme thermal to be the foreground or the background. Either will work. So hopefully that helps you to get the look that you want with the extreme thermal film. Feel free to reach out to us, www.ir.tools. Thanks.